So first of all, I'm going to start a client, a server. So now a server has been started, and I will first introduce the GUI of the server. So there are two columns in the GUI of the server. Left is the is the users column, which will display all the users joined this chatting, and the logs column will display the welcome message, the leaving message, and everything each user has said. The next thing, I'm going to start a client. So now you can see a client named Adam has joined the chatting, and here is the welcome message for Adam. And A means user Adam is available, and this is the username. It is assigned by the server. And right now, Adam has not input anything. So now let's see the client GUI. So as I showed in the first part of the assignment, it's quite similar. The difference is now, before typing anything, the welcome message from the server will also be displayed here. And well, you can input anything here, and the user status and the editing status will be changed simultaneously from both the client part and the server part. So now I'm showing if the user status change in the client part, both the client user status and the server user status will reflect this kind of change. And once you typing a message, you can see the message in both the client side and the server side. So the next thing is I'm going to start another client. So now you can see another client named Bob has joined the chatting, and its welcome message displayed in both server side and the client side. And here is the GUI for Bob's client. So you can see all the chatting history has been displayed here. And well, the username of the current user will be displayed on the top in its client GUI. For Bob's client GUI, the information of Bob will display on top, and for Adam's client GUI, the information of Adam will be displayed on top. But on the server side, the procedure of the order of the users will be displayed according to the time joining this chatting. And well, if you change the user status of one user, now it's changed to idle. This kind of change will reflect in all of the clients joining this chat here, and in the server. And then we can see Bob says something. It's like idle right now. And what Bob says will be displayed in both client of Adam's and Bob's. Well, in server, we will have the same message. And you can, if you can remember, when the editing status of Bob's, the editing status of Bob has been changed. This kind of change also appear simultaneously in Adam's client and on the server side. So now let's show the last function of this part of the assignment. So it is required that any incremental change in the topic field will be displayed in all other clients. So right now, say Bob changed the topic to demo, and you can see it appears in Adam's client at the same time, and Adam can change, say, I remove EM, so the topic is do. So first remove M, and this change is incrementally reflected in Bob's topic field, and change E. So it's same as. So now the topic is do, and Bob can see the same change, the same topic on his client. So now Adam says, that's enough. I would like to leave this in chatting. So he clicks the closing button. So on the server side, a leaving message is generated, says Adam leaves chatting, and this kind of information is reflected in Bob's client. Well, but Bob can do any kind of change as he wishes, and it's not affected by the fact that Adam has changed. So he can change the topic as, are you sure? Maybe, and put it here. It acts as same behavior as one client, one user client does, and we can start another client, and in the current implementation, once a user has left the chatting, its ID and username will reallocated, and when a new client joins, it will be assigned with the former username and user ID. So now when I start a new client, its username will still be Adam. So now Adam joins the chatting again, but it is actually a new Adam. Well, we can start the third client. So it's Carol. You can see now the users list has all the three join the user's information, and anybody can change the topic incrementally. Okay, parents the public. Hi. And you can take hello one and click. And we see this kind of information here and here. So then Bob leaves the leaving message shown here. Alan leaves and Carol leaves. So I guess that's it.